So Chowri Bazaar was the kind of place that none of us had explored earlier. Normally when you think Old Delhi, you think Chandni Chowk, you think Jama Masjid, you think Red Fort. What you do not think is Chowri Bazaar. And that was primarily why we picked this location. Once we reached there, however, the kind of people that we encountered, the kind of experiences that we had, made for fun stories that we joke about later. One of these was when we went to shoot the meat shop, something that we thought would really add to our film. Rather than being willing to shoot with us, the meat shop owners wanted to check with us about whether we were PETA, and they were convinced that we were. And so for the longest time they refused to shoot with us, thinking that the shots that we take of that flesh being cut, of the cows hanging from the grid and all of that, would actually escalate into some sort of campaign against the meat shop owners of Chowri Bazaar. Similarly, you'd think wedding cards don't really count for much, but if you thought so, you're mistaken, because the wedding card shop owners were equally stringent about not having their designs copied, because wedding card designs are just so exclusive. And so at the point at which we were shooting a particular wedding shop, we stood at their balcony waiting for them to give us permission, because they really weren't sure if they could trust us with that exclusive footage of their innovative and extremely pricey designs. After which, by the time they did come back to us about half an hour later to let us know that we hadn't gotten permission, our camera person had already gotten all the footage that we needed. So that was that. Apart from which, there are still those people that we sort of maintained a really long connect with. So there's this particular halwai who features really prominently in our video, who has now taken to calling me about every alternate day to ask how I am and if I'd be coming back to Chowri Bazaar. There's a professor we met whose grandchildren we developed a connect with. So all in all, it was the kind of experience that I wouldn't trade for any other.